How y'all doing? Welcome to Woodshed Antics. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been around a while and you continue to show up, support the channel, thank you from the bottom of my heart. As always, like, share, and subscribe. That helps grow the channel, allows me to keep chasing the stream. 6:30. There's the log. Let's get started. Matt Owensworth. Some lions going down. This is Chad Strap. Not sure what that is. Derek Richardson is doing a cowboy, riding a stick horse. Kid. Cute. Dustin Grant. Looking good. That looks like How to Train Your Dragon. I'm trying to think of the name. I know what that is, but I'll let you guess. Go rinse. On up. Justin Driver. Jeff Cobb.
I think it's Saturday by like noon or something like that. I'm not started. Doesn't have to.
Para. Here is Jim Valentine. Looks like a truck full of bears. Pretty cool. That is it for day one. 7:22. Headed back to the hotel. I'll keep you posted. The Whittle 25 well underway. Thanks for watching.